Hello, boys. How are you? Good afternoon. Uh, Open your book. This English learner, page number 64. Find out more. Today we will study how people measure the length in the past. Okay. Now we have different instruments. We use centimeter, meter, and kilometer, and also different other feet, inch. Okay, these all we use to measure the length. But in the past, long ago, when there is no scale, no measuring instruments like now, how people measure the length that time? Okay, here four method. Three. Number one, we use with fingers. This with fingers, this with hands, and with arm. From here, from elbow up to tip of the finger. And here we open our hand from this small finger, tip of the small finger, and up to tip of the thumb. And here width of the thumb. This is how many fingers? These three methods. And then after this, here footstep. If the thing, if we want to measure the length of small things, we use these three methods. Okay, but if we want to long and big object or space, from for example from one room to another room, okay, then we use foot steps. Foot steps like this, from here to here, one, two, three, four, five, six, like this. Okay, if we want to measure the length of small object, what we do, we use our fingers, our hands, and our arm. If it is smallest, we use finger. If a little bit big, we use hands. If more big, we use our arm. And if it is big, more, for example, I told you already, in from one room to another room, then we use foot steps. Okay, this is foot steps. And next is now. Right now, we use a scale, a ruler, and a meter rod. Okay, and we also many other instruments that we use to measure the length. Now we have different units that we use to measure the length. Number one, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. But here he didn't give you kilometer, he give you centimeter and meter only. Look, if the thing is small, then we use, which unit we use, we measure in centimeters, and we write cm. C, look, this is centi, c, and m, meter. C and m, this is centimeter. Look, when you measure the length here, this corridor, then what we use, centimeter or meter? We use meter because it is big. It is small, for example, on the notebook, on the book, okay, then we use centimeters. But here, this your school hall, that we measure in meters. Then leaf, look, this is small, okay, and we use centimeters, not meters. And this is a fence. Fence, this is around the farm, or around the house, and around the garden, and around the park. You can see, when you go to park, you can see around the park. This is fence, this is long. Okay, we use meters, not centimeters, because this is long. Which unit we use? Meters. And here, this, for example, this we use centimeters, and this also we use centimeters, and this also centimeter because it's small, and this we use meter. Okay, but here you check how long in centimeter with your ruler, like this also in centimeter because this is we draw, because if some brush is big and some are small, but this is small, we use centimeter. With the scale you measure the length from here up to here, how long is it, and here how long this fish, and here how long this shell, and how long this clip. Okay, this you measure with your scale and write here on the top. Okay boys, this is our topic today. Okay, and you must be revise this, and you must be know which thing we use to measure the length long ago and now. Okay, because it's change. And then also here about this we yesterday finish about time. Okay, here this is how we read the time. If you want to know about the time, how you ask another person. For example, you say what is the time, or what time is it. This two, how you say two question, same thing, you use different ways. And here 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 minute past, and here half past. After this 2, 25 to 22, quarter to, 10 to 5 to. When we use 2, then we don't use this r, we use next. For example, this is 7:55. Okay, we use here what, 5 minute to 8. Okay, because after 5 minutes it will be 8 o'clock. Now it is, 7:55. Now here I give you 1 week how many days, 7. 1 day how many hours, 24 hours. 1 hour how many minutes, 60 minutes. And 1 minute how many seconds, 60 seconds. And here we write, we speak the time in 3 ways. For example, here half, you can say 10 and half. Here you can say 30 minutes past 10, or half past 10. This 3 way. And here you can say 2 and 15. Here 15 minutes past 2, or quarter past 2. Okay. Next, if 45, you say 3:45. What is the time? You say 3:45, or 45 minutes past 3, or quarter to 4. Quarter means 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the time will be 4 o'clock. Okay. Now, boys, same. I give you here space. You write this time like this. Like this. Here write 12:15, 15 minutes past 12, quarter past 12. And here 6:30, half past 6, or 30 minutes past 6. And here you write 8:45, quarter to 9. Quarter to 9. Look here, after 15 minutes, quarter means 15. And after 15 minutes, the time will be 9 o'clock. Okay. Quarter past 9, or 45 minutes past 8. Okay, boys, this sheet I will send you today, and you must be write this and you memorize. And here you write the time. Look the time on the clock, and you write this in a digital clock. Okay. And here different time on the clocks, and you check and write the correct one. Okay, boys, this is our topic today, and I will send you this sheet. You must be finish this. Bye bye, see you later.